A lot of added benefits in connecting your Nest thermostat to the Wi-Fi, as it can pull different information such as the temperature, the humidity, the time for your area. What you do is first scroll to and then click on settings. That's the gear icon, and then scroll over to the network name and then click on the network and identify your network in the list in the drop down menu that comes up under the network name, or you can type in your network name, but then you click the button again and select that network, and then that'll allow you to enter the password. For entering the password, use rotate over. If you have any capitals, you need to click that up arrow there and then enter your capital letters. Hit the up arrow again to select lowercase. If you have any symbols, you can click the 1, 2, 3 icon or ABC icon right of the check mark to select through different symbols. And once you're done, click the check arrow and that'll connect to the internet.